Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a banner for your website. So all you have to do, instead of going through each of these templates, projects and all of these icons, just go to the search bar and type in website banner. So once you've keyed in the words website banner, it should bring you to a page similar to this, and it's already beautiful, I can tell. So you can see various designs by other people. You can customize it and make it yours, and that's the end of it. I mean, these are really great, really awesome. And that's one thing about Canva, it makes your work very easy. So you have a headphone company, you can use this particular website and just change the color or something about it, and with that you are good to go. So this is how to create a Canva banner for your website. If you click on the template, you will see it would expand to something similar to this, and then all you have to do is to click on customize this template, and it should take you to a page where you can fully customize every detail on that particular page and make it yours. So let it be known that this my Canva account is the paid version, so you might not necessarily see some of these templates I am seeing in this video in your own accounts. So but with the free version you can do wonders. So guys, this is how to create a very beautiful and aesthetic Canva banner for your website. If you've enjoyed this video guys, let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one. Also, please consider subscribing to the channel. I mean, 90% of our viewers are not even subscribed, so please just subscribe. Thank you and do have a great day.